How is blockchain evolving? Blockchain technology, rise of Internet. The development of blockchain technology, compared to the revolution, immediately gave rise to the Internet. In addition to financial benefits, distributed ledger technology, DLT, is advantageous in the commercial sector, like cryptocurrency. Blockchain technology has advanced significantly since 1991. Given all the loud crypto terminology out there, let's simply go back to the beginning of the blockchain revolution. Revolution of blockchain technology. A blockchain technology revolution started about 1991. While doing their research, Scott Stornetta and Stuart Haber were developing a workable method to control digital data backup. The date stamps on these documents are next being improved in terms of security by researchers. They eventually published their first essay describing how to utilize a chain to cryptographically protect blocks while preserving the accuracy of earlier data. Yet, in early 2008, an author by the name of Satoshi Nakamoto released a paper titled Bitcoin, Peer-to-Peer eCash Network. He utilized software-based computer resources with a hashed currency POW, proof of work, method. ARPAW, on the other hand, uses hardware resources. Also, the idea of mining currencies is presented by Bitcoin. The show's decentralized hub's activities are also guaranteed to be confirmed by this POW method and private miners. In exchange for payment, private miners mine bitcoins using the POW method. It is also confirmed by other decentralized supply chain locations. On January 3, 2009, the foundation of Bitcoin was laid. Satoshi Nakamoto processed the first Bitcoin block with a payout of 50 Bitcoins. The very first block to be mined is typically referred to as the Genesis block of Bitcoin. On January 12, 2009, Satoshi traded Hal Finney for 10 Bitcoins for the first time. On October 31, 2009, the public began using Bitcoin exchange services to buy and sell Bitcoins for real money. Nakamoto additionally launched the Bitcoin Talk forum to distribute information and updates. The Bitcoin price has increased rapidly since 2009. After Satoshi Nakamoto disappeared, the era of computer scientists and developers acquired the knowledge contained in their learning. And since, people have already been reading and hearing about innovative blockchain-based applications being created all over the planet. The development of blockchain, challenges versus belief. Bitcoin took the lead in challenging core economic theories earlier in 2013. A maximum of 11 million bitcoins, totaling more than $1 billion, were traded. While this is the case, using Bitcoin is forbidden in China and Thailand. In the process, people started to believe in Bitcoin again, and its price rose to $1,164. Eventually, co-founder of Bitcoin magazine Vitalik Buterin highlighted the necessity for a programming language to develop decentralized applications. After receiving considerable criticism for his proposal, Turing started developing Ethereum, a label decentralized computer system powered by a blockchain. Blockchain, introduction of the concept of contracts. Vitalik Buterin created the Ethereum Association in the year 2014. Ethereum evolved into more than a decentralized network and a cryptocurrency. One of the biggest implementations of blockchain is the concept of contracts, which was established in 2015 and has since gained popularity. So that you realize, smart contracts function like self-executing software that is placed on the Ethereum public blockchain. If a certain condition is satisfied, it begins to work. Many programmers have tested out decentralized applications due to the introduction of contracts, or dApps. Eventually, Hyperledger was revealed by the Linux Foundation, an open-source effort to promote the development of decentralized software. It provides the necessary tools, techniques, and platforms. For many of those operating in the cryptocurrency market, the start of 2018 was discouraging. One Bitcoin decreased to $3,800 in rate. The promotion of currencies was restricted with corporate reports like Facebook, Twitter, and Google. Korea didn't allow crypto gambling. But corporations have declared significant investments in the blockchain. It's wonderful that the European agency has developed the Blockchain Monitor and Seminar. Blockchain as a Service, BaaS, is sponsored by Baidu. Blockchain, artificial intelligence and Ethereum 2.0. In 2019, people from all over the world started buying Bitcoin, which has since garnered attention. They also invest in crypto exchanges similar to what they do with equity funds and the stock exchange. Facebook confirmed Libra, their cryptocurrency, and claimed participation in the blockchain space. Later, the Amazon Web Services (AWS) public cloud was utilized to verify the Amazon blockchain network. After the introduction of China's officially approved virtual currency, the Bank of China released stocks on the blockchain. In the following year, Gibraltar United became the very first sports team to collect virtual currency sponsorship. By the end of the year, there had already been 450 million or greater Bitcoin activities. In 2020, Bitcoin's price rose once more, reaching a value of $30,000. A major financial institution, PayPal, started using cryptocurrency to conduct business. According to Deloitte's Worldwide Blockchain latest survey 2020, almost 40% of respondents used blockchain for operational purposes, while the remaining 55% saw it as a suitable development strategy. Ethereum announced the design of Ethereum 2.0 to address energy issues and other significant limits. To improve company operations, efforts to combine AI with blockchain are ongoing. The huge wave of non-fungible tokens. 2021 was a remarkable year for the blockchain as the price of one Bitcoin reached a new high of $64,829.14, but dropped to a low of $35,000 in value too. In March, Elon Musk claimed that businesses will now accept Bitcoin payments. He changed his mind after learning that mining Bitcoins uses a lot of computing power and harms the environment. Later, a huge wave of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, emerged, providing excellent potential profit for producers. An original and movable technology innovation, including digital paintings, sound recordings, movies, or antiques, is called an NFT. Performers and dealers had a platform due to sites such as OpenSea, one of the most popular NFT platforms. Metaverse is the product of the intersection of blockchain, AR/VR, and Web3. Some companies that were inspired by the COVID-19 pandemic's work-from-home lifestyle started developing fantasy reality. On October 28, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg switched the company's name from Meta. On the other hand, utilizing cryptocurrencies as a payment option is forbidden by the cryptocurrency law in India. On the other hand, the concept of Web3 was widely reported. Blockchain, popular beginning for NFTs and Metaverse. The year 2022 started with a more popular beginning for NFTs and Metaverse. That resulted in more selling alternatives and profit possibilities. Many rich clothing companies, like Nike, Adidas, Walmart, Puma, Gucci, Ferrari, and even Disney, were using the Metaverse to create and promote their NFT products for characters. The Indian government, on the other hand, declared a 30% tax on the transfer of electronic resources. However, this does not indicate that it is recognized in the country. Moreover, a wide variety of additional blockchain applications are now being researched, verified, and publicized, including the utilization of blockchain in the distribution chain, leisure, medicine, travel, property investment, robotics, and many more sectors. Transactions for satellite technology in orbit. Blockchain, then versus now. Millions of investors and experts around the world are getting more engaged with blockchain. Additionally, the innovation is no longer confined to cryptocurrency money. It is also extending its claws in a variety of other locales. Overall spending on blockchain applications will increase from $4.5 billion in 2020 to $19 billion in 2024, estimates from Statista. Conclusion. Considering that blockchain is among the most funded innovations, expenditures come with higher duties. Additionally, as a contributor to this rising trend, the upcoming Web 3.0 net is expected to be based on a technology blockchain uses. Increased popularity, challenges, and development of blockchain are expected.